Hi there. This is Malika Lee, host of Feel Good, the podcast. I wanted to invite you personally, our cherished listener, to an event that we have coming up on Monday, September 28th, 2020, from 5 to 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, where we will be recording our first ever podcast episode that is open to the public. I know, right? Yay! Very exciting. The topic is on uncomfortable conversations, so you'll be able to join my guest, Chris Patin, who is one of the best in the business and has been paid professionally for over 15 years now at having uncomfortable conversations. And he is very skilled, very intelligent, and very experienced in this area. So there is so much to learn. And not only will it be a conversation, we'll have time for some Q&A for those that are listening in, and a workshop where participants will have an opportunity to practice their very own uncomfortable conversations, putting all the tips and skills that Chris shares with us to good use. So to access this event, you can find the link on our Patreon page, which is Patreon, patreon.com/feelgood. I'll have that in the description. It is also available on my Instagram page, which is at MS Malika Lee, and there'll be a link in my bio. So please subscribe, because this will not be our only event like this. We want to have others, and for you to stay up to date and to participate, you'll need to subscribe. Thank you so much again for your support, and we look forward to seeing you there. Bye.